No matter how you may enjoy life, the signs of aging and perhaps of spending too much time in the sun may be showing on your skin. You may have noticed the appearance of tiny red vessels, flushing, or dark spots. The result? You look older than you are, certainly older than you feel. Our practice is pleased to offer the Luminous One, a fourth-generation system for IPL skin treatments. The Luminous One uses photorejuvenation, a process that successfully diminishes sun damage, age spots or sun-induced freckles, broken capillaries, facial veins, including the flushing of rosacea.
Photorejuvenation is a wonderful process in order to improve damaged skin. As we age, we all obtain sun damage to our skin, and
this manifests itself as brown spots and red spots.
The Luminous One will work on any pigmented lesion and any vascular lesion. One of the lesions it works best on is rosacea. We all know that rosacea is a genetic tendency for people to have a flush sensation or an increase in telangiectasias. What we found is that patients with rosacea will have a dramatic improvement after 2 or 3 treatments, and that dramatic improvement usually lasts for 6 to 12 months. Now what this means is that we cannot cure rosacea because rosacea is a genetic condition, but we can keep it under control. And with yearly treatment,
Like about the Lume One, particularly my patients that have used other.
So they feel that they're in and out and they're back to their job. It's a lunchtime facial. They also feel that there's no discomfort, whereas in the past, with other photorejuvenation machines, they've complained of significant amounts of pain, swelling, and irritation after they had the treatment.
Did it during my lunch hour, which was great because it didn't disrupt my day.
It was wonderful. Photorejuvenation treatments are usually pain-free. Some patients compare the sensation to a snap of a rubber band. Anesthetic is rarely required.
During treatment, a thin layer of cool gel will be applied to the skin. The smooth, chilled sapphire crystal of the Luminous One handpiece will then be touched lightly to your skin as pulses of light are delivered. With over 13 years and hundreds of thousands of patients worldwide, IPL has become the gold standard treatment for a broad range of applications. Gently, over multiple treatments, IPL effectively removes unwanted pigment, vascularity, and sun damage, leaving the skin
spaced about 1 month apart. This is the best IPL machine in the world for intense pulse light treatments. We are able to remove almost all brown spots due to the sun, as well as red spots.
Based upon the research of 2 outstanding Harvard scientists who looked at the observation that kohl could be applied non-invasively to remove fat. Kohl sculpting targets and cools fat cells to temperatures that trigger their natural death. Importantly, because lipids and fat crystallize faster than normal cells, there is no damage to nerves or other tissue. Over the next few weeks and months, the fat cells shrink and begin to die. The overall fat layer is significantly reduced, which results in a noticeable and measurable reduction in the fat bulge around the targeted flank.
Ideal candidates for kohl sculpting are those people that have stubborn
to diet and exercise. The love handles, muffin top, so-called spare tire, these are the people that really do best with kohl sculpting. Kohl sculpting is a quick procedure. Patients can have it performed on their lunch hour and go right back to work.
It only took 1 hour. 1 hour, no general anesthesia, no local anesthesia, no pain. 1 hour, in, out, bing, bang, boom, done. Loved it.
Juvederm is the next generation dermal filler. As your skin ages, it loses structure and volume, which causes those wrinkles and folds. Juvederm smooths away lines and wrinkles by putting back what nature took away. Juvederm is a smooth gel dermal filler made of hyaluronic acid, or HA, which helps to attract and maintain water, hydrating your skin and increasing its volume. Smooth and natural looking results in an instant. Ask about Juvederm today, because parentheses have a place, but not on your face.
Nature has the power to transform, slowly but surely changing everything it touches. It ebbs and reduces, taking away volume, leaving the marks of passing time. But nature also has the magical power to regenerate, to invigorate, and to restore. As time passes, nature also has a transformative effect on our own appearance. Faces can lose some of their collagen, and folds and wrinkles may appear around our nose and mouth. Radiesse has found a way to use a little restorative magic to return that lost collagen, to give you back a natural, younger look immediately, and to keep that look for a long time.
Radiesse is unlike many treatments that have come before it. It really does seem to work like magic because it's effective immediately and then continues to work with your own body to produce a lasting natural look and feel. The treatment is so simple it can be performed over a lunch hour, and the transformation is noticeable right away. The natural, youthful look stays with you.
For many patients, this effect may last a year or more.
If it seems like magic, that's because it really does have a magic ingredient, and that ingredient is you.
Because your own body works in partnership with Radiesse in a remarkable way.
The science behind this magic involves a process called collagenesis.
Radiesse magically starts this process by stimulating collagen production in your body and encouraging collagen to grow around the injection area.
Radiesse contains smooth microspheres that are injected into the skin through a simple, safe, and minimally invasive procedure. Once it's injected, our little microspheres make a big difference. They add volume to Radiesse, optimizing its immediate effectiveness at smoothing out wrinkles and folds. This unique feature of Radiesse is truly a wonder of nature, helping your body create its own naturally younger look by combining our microspheres with your own natural collagen. Unlike common creams and lotions, the effects are noticeable right away. And because of our unique microspheres, the natural results are long-lasting.
In fact, for many patients, one injection can last up to a year or longer, and that can mean fewer treatments and fewer doctor visits to get that fresh, natural look you want. Radiesse is FDA approved and has proven to be safe and effective through years of clinical studies and independent research.
In fact, allergy testing isn't needed prior to treatment.
The problem of unwanted hair. For some, it's an annoyance or inconvenience. For others, it's an embarrassment. Today, there is a better solution for unwanted hair. The Light Shear Diode Laser System for Hair Removal from Luminous.
Excess hair can be very distressing for some people to the point that it really ruins the quality of their lives. But I think for the most part, people view it as a cosmetic nuisance, and they have for many years used ways to try and deal with that.
What I had noticed before I started getting waxed, having waxing done, was that I noticed that the small patch of hair that was on the back of my neck was growing, and if I wear a shirt that doesn't have a collar, it might stick out, and then I guess it's a self-conscious thing. Are people looking at the back of my neck and going, God, he must be hairy?
Short-term solutions for hair removal range from irritating and uncomfortable to painful and expensive. Electrolysis is a long-term solution, but can be painful for many as well as tedious. Hair by hair, an electric current passes through a needle to destroy the hair root. It can take months or years of repeat treatments for even small areas to effectively achieve permanence.
I am fair-skinned and I have sensitive skin, so when I shave, I get
rashes from it, a lot of irritation, and I cut myself. I'm always in a hurry.
Waxing is an interesting experience. It's during that time where the hot wax is being applied and then it's being just ripped off that isn't so comfortable.
Well, I started having my bikini line waxed for a long time, for several years,
and I experienced a lot of ingrown hairs, and that was quite annoying. And then I had electrolysis done, and that was really painful. Electrolysis, time-wise, would take a long time, half an hour, and you couldn't get the full bikini line. It would take maybe over an hour, but I can't tolerate the pain for that much time.
Now, the light shear diode laser system offers a real alternative.
The major impact that this will have on people's lives is that this is a far more efficient and tolerable method for hair removal for most people than electrolysis. This technique can remove more hair more efficiently over a larger region of the body for far less money and far less pain.
However, for those with hair that is darker and coarse, the laser can be a welcome relief. The laser emits a focused beam of concentrated light that bypasses most of the components of the skin to target the melanin pigment in a hair follicle. It reaches and treats up to hundreds of hair follicles at a time, causing a disruption in their ability to regenerate. An important feature of the light shear is the chill tip handpiece, which protects the skin's surface and makes treatment more comfortable.
Hair is in one of 3 stages of growth at any given time: anagen, catagen, or telogen. Laser treatment is most effective when hair is in the active growth or anagen phase. This is when melanin, the laser light's target, is abundant.
So if you do something to damage the hair, you have to look over a period of time which is at least as long as the whole life cycle for the hair. And we've done that now. The hair that is unwanted, which is usually a coarse, dark hair which is visible, has no ability to grow again after at least one of its growth cycles.
Consultation with your physician will help to determine if you are a candidate for laser hair removal with the light shear diode system. Hair removal with the light shear diode laser system is a simple, safe, non-cosmetic procedure performed right in our office. Minimal preparation is required prior to your light shear treatment. The length of time necessary for your treatment may be a few minutes to an hour, depending on the part of the body being treated.
The light shear diode laser system could be your solution too.
Demi Moore, Sharon Stone, and Kim Basinger. Fabulous 40-plus beauties who have all got the glow. Now you can get it too with Hollywood's hottest new skin treatment.
It's truly a skin breakthrough. I mean, for the first time, we can efficiently prevent aging.
It's called the VI Peel, developed by skincare specialist to the stars, Dr. Abdallah Khalil. The VI Peel combines the most popular acid peels into one gentle solution. And after it's applied, patients first tan, then their skin begins to flake. And after a week, vibrant new skin is revealed.
You see all this blotchiness that you have around your face? In 7 days, it'll be gone. You're gonna look like a glowing beauty.
Dr. Khalil tells Extra the VI Peel, which costs between $300 to $500, is safe for all skin types. And check out these before and afters and judge for yourself.
Once the peel was over on the 4th day, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I woke up and I just thought, my skin is so pretty. Finally, it's pretty.
Looks like winning the age game just got a little easier.